In theory, exercises are an effort we make in the quest for health. In theory, everyone knows that sports drinks are good for those who work out. It was about time for all this effort to be rewarded. Iron Age presents Pulse Machine. The first vending machine that turns your efforts into discounts. The operation is simple. A sensor reads the heart rate. The higher the heart rate, the bigger the discount. We put the Pulse machine in parks, gyms, and places frequented by sports enthusiasts. Results: more than 3,600 people impacted. More than 8,500 reals of offered discounts. Iron Age Pulse Machine. The harder you try, the more you deserve it.